ahead and trust some products which will not only help in making our skin better, but it will also target the specific areas which need the perfect repairing. Okay, so today we will first see about why does our skin age. All of us know that aging is a normal process. We age every year. Every year we celebrate birthday. We are getting older. At the same time, the same effects happen to our skin as well. So our skin also is aging. This is applicable to everybody. But when we talk about today's session, I would like to also tell you that the three reasons that now I will list out is the normal and common reasons which is going to happen for everybody, including men and women. So this is the reasons about why our skin is aging and how the aging process happens. But not just this. Now, what is the additional requirement is premature aging, how we can tackle premature aging. So, if we even go back 20-30 years, people used to go through the aging process. The skin used to go through the aging process. But in today's time, not only the normal factors, but the external factors or our lifestyle also affects our skin badly. And what aging process happens little later will start happening to us at an early stage. Okay, these three are the common reasons. The first is that dermal cells lose connections. So our skin, we all know it has three layers: epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. In the dermis layer, there is a very complex extracellular matrix which is called ECM. This is the structure. I would like to say this as the proper structure of the skin. So this structure is where we have the collagen and elastin, which are the main required proteins for our skin. But as we are aging, this matrix, so this complete structure loses its integrity, which is very common. The same thing that happens with our body, the same thing happens with our skin. So as we are aging, normally the production which would happen for collagen and elastin is reduced. We are not able to produce collagen and elastin as we were when our skin was younger or when we were younger. Okay, the second is the connection between UV damage with epidermal cells. So epidermal, we all know the top layer. So when we do not use any moisturizer or when you're not using any sunscreen, which again is very common with most of the people, continuous exposure of our skin to UV rays further damages the integrity of our matrix, which is the ECM. So when we are not taking care of our skin and exposing our skin to sun a lot of time, this particular exposure will make the matrix even more weaker. So when the matrix is weaker, though we haven't aged as much, but due to the exposure, the matrix will lose its strength. So the matrix will not be capable of again producing the necessary required proteins which can keep our skin healthy. And the third thing, fat tissue and aging. This is not only just with aging, this is also specific to people who lose a lot of weight. So when people are losing a lot of weight, what happens, the fatty layer, when the layer starts, when our body starts to shrink, our skin starts to sag, because our body has a fat layer inside beneath it. So when the fat is reducing or when we are aging, that particular layer naturally starts shrinking. Even around the eye area, which is common as we age. So these are the three things that how our skin ages and why it ages. Now we understand the aging process of the skin, But why should we use artistry for your customers? Why should they trust? So specifically, if you even talk about general example that I say, my mom, she uses a lot of anti-aging products, and she is a proper skincare person. She follows a good skincare routine. So she has been using brands like Estee Lauder or Lancome. So I didn't have to necessarily convince her because I joined. I told her to use it. But how will you convince your customers, or how can you make sure that people trust artistry? Okay, so trust is very important when we start using a product for our skin. So artistry stands for forward beauty. It is the heritage of the brand. We know it was started from as early as 1950s by a husband and wife. They wanted to give us revolutionary beauty breakthroughs. So the best possible products. What is the revolutionary breakthrough we have already? We have vitamin C, which is a pioneer kind of a formula, 100% pure vitamin C with HA. Also, soon we are also coming up with something in India which is already there abroad. Again, it will be something so new, something that people have not seen, or people have not experienced. Okay, and whenever we talk about artistry, whenever I talk about artistry, I never focus on makeup. I generally only talk about skincare because it's not only about how we can make up or how we can make your skin better just by cosmetics, but it is how we can target the areas and fix the problems with proper solution. So when it comes to artistry, we bring together science, nutrition, and art. So all these three put together gives us the prestigious premium skincare brand. Why are we labeled as a premium skincare brand? Because we use the best of the ingredients that go for Neutralite, Acerola cherry. We use that for our skincare products as well. So we use the expertise of so many scientists that are working for the products that we can use for our skin. Also, we stand for three major pillars, which is discovery, imagination, and invention. We use or we discover, we find the glow with the best of the products, best precious and beneficial ingredients. Because again, when we talk about advanced skincare, we cannot give anything normal. It has to be something which can give you good results, because even at the end we'll show you the clinical results of the products. When you use the products, what are the results that we can guarantee. Imagination, as I told you, there is a global network of scientists, engineers, and technicians who are working together to get us the best of the products, to bring to become the pioneers, to get us the product that is not available elsewhere, with the amazing packaging, the design of the product, or when you talk about the range that we have, Youth Extend or Ultra, it is so cohesive that we have one range which complements one another. And invention, most of the products that we use, most of the technologies that we have, they are all patented technologies, patented that we introduced it and we are using it, and we are not sharing it. We don't share it with others. So all our skincare lines are known to also deliver us clinical results. So these are the reasons that we can believe in artistry. And the most important, the easiest reason is that artistry products are safe, effective, and high quality. You know that we also have the money back guarantee. Why? Because we trust the products. We know that these products will satisfy the consumer. Okay, now talking about the artistry portfolio with anti-aging. So the basic anti-aging. The early signs of anti-aging are targeted by Artistry Youth Extend. So Youth Extend is a range which is specifically for early signs of aging. What are the early signs of aging, or how we can identify that we now need to start using an anti-aging range is you can see these concerns, which is eye puffiness, eye area fine lines, roughness, flakiness, dullness. Dullness also starts with the aging. Suppleness loss, elasticity loss. This is the basic elasticity loss. Dark circles. You can also see that there is the chart, and the dark portion is from when the damage begins, and the lighter portion is when the consumer or when the customer starts noticing it. And we all are aware that customers ask for a product only when they have started noticing the signs. But when we know this, we will be able to relate it in a much more easier way. Using Youth Extend technology will help delay the early signs of aging. So if you use these products before all of this has already happened on your face, on your skin, you can easily delay these signs. Or if you've already started noticing these signs, and if you use these products, you can still manage to maintain your skin and protect your skin from aging process. Okay. So, as I said, we believe we cannot just say that Youth Extend product, if you use, you will get this results or you will get that results. But we also talk more about the ingredients, what we use. So, what are the benefits of Youth Extend? It helps in reprogramming your skin. It helps repairing the damage. What is the reprogramming here that we talk about is that our skin is shedding, renewing itself almost every day. So this is how the skin structure works like. But as we age, our skin structure weakens. So it does not function as it used to function. So this complete process becomes slower. While using Artistry Youth Extend products, we will be able to again speed up this process of skin structure renewing. So this will help in reprogramming. So once the skin again starts functioning little more faster, our collagen, elastin again start building up, and we can restrict the fine lines and wrinkles. Also, it helps repair the damage. So already the damage that we have, the fine lines or wrinkles which were already there, but we can maybe still not see, it will help in repairing that damage. Also, the product's Youth Extend range protects the skin cells against the future damage. So obviously, if the skin is starting to get healthier with good ingredients, the skin gets more receptible. It can protect itself from future damage. And automatically, using proper Artistry Youth Extend range will reduce the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles. And how does this happen? Because of the ingredients that we talk about, major ingredients. We have LifeCert, Micro-Exit Peptide, and African Biobark fruit extract. So these are the three major ingredients. How these ingredients will help us? So technology overview. First, LifeCert. So I'm sorry, I didn't realize this slide is slightly, the text is in a different color, but hope you can see it. So you can see the picture. So you see the green color plant, right? So that is a LifeCert. So that's a Mediterranean plant. It's a botanical plant. So how this helps us is you can even understand with the name LifeCert. So it inserts life into our skin. So when we use LifeCert, LifeCert works in reprogramming the future of the skin. With the usage of LifeCert, our skin gets healthier, and we again manage to start producing the collagen, elastin, and our ECM functions normally. Repairing, we use the exclusive Micro-Exit Peptide, the one corner left that you see. This is a 6 amino acid micropeptide. So this is also an amino acid which promotes the collagen activity. With this, we can help in repairing. So whatever the damage has happened in your skin, exclusive micro XX peptide will targeted focus on the fine lines and wrinkles and help in reducing the appearance of the same. The third ingredient is the African baobab fruit extract, which you see on the top right corner. This tree of life lives for over 1,000 years. So I remember the first time I finished the session, an ABO has sent me a picture of this African baobab tree, which has lived for over 6,000 plus years. So that's like a rare case. But otherwise, this tree of life lives for minimum more than 1,000 years. And also it comes with natural conditioners, natural antioxidants, and moisturizers. So this African fruit extract also gives us the SPF. So our sun protection comes from African baobab fruit extract. Hi Suman, I will answer the questions towards the end. I would also like to know or let you know that in the end I've also given two scenarios with different age groups and different issues, and I have suggested, I have also recommended a regime with that. So this is just an example of how we recommend products. Okay, I will take the questions in the end. So Suman, just you have to hold for some time. Okay, thank you. So this, as I said, the life cert, it boosts the life, increases the life in our skin cells. How this happens, you can see that young cells and age cells, the first and the second picture, this is the protein that is produced by the cells. So the green color concentration is the protein which is there in our skin. So young cells, you can see how heavily concentrated production of protein is happening. But as the cells are aging, the protein production is reducing. So there is very light